At the hospital. Let's get started. Consultation. Consultation. Examples. I've booked an appointment to see a doctor via video consultation. The medicine is delivered to my home within 1 day. I've booked an appointment to see a doctor via video consultation. The medicine is delivered to my home within 1 day. General practice consultations are offered at the medical center of the airport. General practice consultations are offered at the medical center of the airport. Critical. Critical. Examples. The intensive care unit is equipped with advanced equipment to look after patients with critical illness. The intensive care unit is equipped with advanced equipment to look after patients with critical illness. The workers are in a critical condition after the fatal industrial accident. The workers are in a critical condition after the fatal industrial accident. CT, computed tomography, CT, computed tomography, examples. After a car accident, the patient is recommended to use a CT scan to assess the potential injury. After a car accident, the patient is recommended to use a CT scan to assess the potential injury. A CT scan can create pictures of organs, bones and other tissues of the patient. A CT scan can create pictures of organs, bones and other tissues of the patient. Emergency. Emergency. Examples. The Accident and Emergency Unit provides 24-hour emergency medical services to the public. The Accident and Emergency Unit provides 24-hour emergency medical services to the public. The mission of Emergency Care Unit is to ensure patients get the prompt treatment whenever they've an urgent healthcare need. The mission of Emergency Care Unit is to ensure patients get the prompt treatment whenever they've an urgent healthcare need. Examination. Examination. Examples. Through regular dental examination, we can determine the early signs of any oral health issues. Through regular dental examination, we can determine the early signs of any oral health issues. I'm required to undergo a medical examination before joining a new company. I'm required to undergo a medical examination before joining a new company. Fracture. Fracture. Examples. Her leg fractured severely when she was hit by a car in the tunnel yesterday. Her leg fractured severely when she was hit by a car in the tunnel yesterday. She fractured her skull under bad weather condition during hiking. She was rescued and airlifted to hospital. She fractured her skull under bad weather condition during hiking. She was rescued and airlifted to hospital. Injection. Injection. Examples. During hospitalization, my mother requires daily drug injection with close monitoring. During hospitalization, my mother requires daily drug injection with close monitoring. The outpatient clinic provides nursing services, such as drug injection and wound dressing. The outpatient clinic provides nursing services, such as drug injection and wound dressing. Isolation. Isolation. Examples. Due to the infectious disease, the patients stay at the isolation room with adequate room ventilation. Due to the infectious disease, the patients stay at the isolation room with adequate room ventilation. Before entering the isolation room, I'm required to perform hand hygiene, wear a gown and a mask. Before entering the isolation room, I'm required to perform hand hygiene, wear a gown and a mask. MRI. Magnetic resonance imaging. MRI. Magnetic resonance imaging. Examples. Doctor recommended me to get an MRI scan for examining the brain. Doctor recommended me to get an MRI scan for examining the brain. An MRI scan can create detailed images of the organs and help diagnosing the condition of tumors. An MRI scan can create detailed images of the organs, and help diagnosing the condition of tumors. Pharmacy. Pharmacy. Examples. During my hospitalization, my medications are dispensed by the pharmacy of the hospital. During my hospitalization, my medications are dispensed by the pharmacy of the hospital. My father was discharged from the hospital. I'll collect his medications from the pharmacy of the hospital. My father was discharged from the hospital. I'll collect his medications from the pharmacy of the hospital. Robot. Robot. Examples. Medical robot can help doctor to perform complex procedures and raise the accuracy during surgery. Medical robot can help doctor to perform complex procedures and raise the accuracy during surgery. Robot can help completing routine tasks, such as delivering medication and managing inventory in healthcare sector. Robot can help completing routine tasks, such as delivering medication and managing inventory in healthcare sector. Surgical. Surgical. Examples. The private hospital has employed a group of experienced surgical specialists to provide services for patients. The private hospital has employed a group of experienced surgical specialists to provide services for patients. After the surgery, the patient is monitored by the nurse, and not allowed to leave the surgical bed. After the surgery, the patient is monitored by the nurse, and not allowed to leave the surgical bed. Therapy. Therapy. Examples. Doctor advises the patient receiving oxygen therapy, so that her organs can function well. Doctor advises the patient receiving oxygen therapy, so that her organs can function well. My father has recovered from stroke gradually, after receiving rehabilitation therapy. My father has recovered from stroke gradually, after receiving rehabilitation therapy. Transfusion. Transfusion. Examples. The patient has been suffering from blood cancer, and is required to receive blood transfusion regularly. The patient has been suffering from blood cancer, and is required to receive blood transfusion regularly. To reduce the risk of transfusion-related infections, the donated blood is screened and tested. To reduce the risk of transfusion-related infections, the donated blood is screened and tested. Wheelchair. Wheelchair. Examples. The emergency care unit provides wheelchair for patients with reduced mobility. The emergency care unit provides wheelchair for patients with reduced mobility. Electric wheelchair provides great convenience to the patients, thanks to its foldable and lightweight design. Electric wheelchair provides great convenience to the patients, thanks to its foldable and lightweight design.